Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In today's class for the students of Standard 8, we will continue with Chapter 7, the tenses. And in today's video, in this class, we are going to understand the present perfect continuous tense from perfect continuous tenses. In our previous 3 videos on the same chapter, we understood all present tenses. Okay, so this is the last present tense that we are going to do in this chapter. So after this video, the tenses we are going to understand are past tenses and future tenses. So we have already understood simple present tense from the simple tenses. We also understood present continuous tense from the continuous tenses. And we also understood present perfect tense in our previous video on the same chapter from perfect tenses. And in this video, we are going to understand the present perfect continuous tense from perfect continuous tenses. That means we have both perfect tense also and continuous tense also together. Okay, so perfect means complete perfect refers to complete actions and continuous refers to continued actions. जो action perfect tense tells us about the complete actions and continuous tenses tells us about the continuous action. So but how we are going to make the requirement of these two tenses, because perfect tenses means to have verbs plus B3, as well as continuous tenses means to be verbs plus B4. So the present perfect continuous tense, this is from the perfect continuous tense. This is the present form of the perfect continuous tense, perfect continuous tenses. So here we have both perfect tense as well as continuous tense. So perfect means जिसे हम बनाते हैं have verbs को B3 के साथ यूज करके, और continuous tense be verbs को हम B4 के साथ यूज करके बनाते हैं. तो how we are going to fulfill this requirement, जहां पर to have verbs भी हो, B3 भी हो, जहां पर to be verbs भी हो और B4 भी हो, तो हम इस requirement जहां पर have verbs और B3 भी हो और be verbs plus B4 भी हो, तो हम इस requirement को हम perfect continuous tense में हम कैसे fulfill करेंगे? To understand this, we have to understand the positive form, that is affirmative form or the affirmative structure of sentences in present perfect continuous tense. There is always sentence at the beginning of there is always subject at the beginning of the sentence. After that comes the verb. Okay, so perfect continuous tense hai, and from perfect continuous tenses we have present perfect continuous tense. So perfect hai, so we have to make the use of to have verbs. Present hai, so we have to make use of has or have. That means subject plus has or have from to have verbs. Now we need V3. So we need V3. So that requirement we fulfill by using B3 form of to be verbs. B3 form of to be verbs is been. Been is B3 form of to be verbs. Now B4 plus rest of the sentence. Now see, subject हर सेंटेंस में होता ही है. अब यहाँ पर क्या है? परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस से है, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंसेस से है, तो हमें हैव वर्ड्स भी होना चाहिए हमारे पास, बी वर्ड्स भी होना चाहिए, B3 भी होना चाहिए, प्लस B4 भी होना चाहिए. सो दैट रिक्वायरमेंट वी हैव फुलफिल्ड बाय यूजिंग हैज और हैव. प्रेजेंट है तो अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो हैज, अगर सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो हैव. ओके, उसके बाद B3. तो the requirement of B3 and B verbs we have fulfilled here by using B3 फॉर्म ऑफ टू बी वर्ड्स बीन। तो बीन हम ये यूज करके हम यहां पर B3 का भी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल कर रहे हैं एज वेल एज बी वर्ड्स का भी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल कर रहे हैं। आफ्टर दैट B4, that means we have birds also, B3 also, B words also, as well as B4 also. Understood? This is the structure of sentences in present perfect continuous tense if the sentences are positive. Okay, if the sentences are positive. And now negative form is we have to use. As I have already told you in our previous videos on many tenses, that after helping verbs we use not, and before main verbs we use not. Okay, so here we will use, if we are using been as the B3 form of the verb, so before been we are using not. Okay, not actually before the main verb, but before the B3 form of the verb be, been, we are using not. That means subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus present participle of the main verb. Present participle means before. Okay, plus rest of the sentence, rest of the sentence or rest of the predicate. Okay, is the negative form of the sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Now we will learn how to do this in the later part of this video. Now see here, interrogative sentences. In our previous videos also we learn how to write affirmative sentences or positive sentences and negative sentences as well as interrogative sentences in different tenses. Whatever the tenses we did in our previous videos. Now interrogative sentences, as I have told you that whenever we are framing interrogative sentences by using helping verbs come at the beginning of the sentences. So here helping verbs, at first we have to use has or have. After that subject comes between B3 form of the verb be, that is been, and the helping verb here in case of the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, and then after been we again use the present participle form of the main verb, that is B4 plus rest of the sentence or rest of the predicate. Okay, now we will practice this, we will frame this, we will try to understand by framing these sentences all in positive or affirmative as well as negative and interrogative sentences in the later part of this video. But before that we will understand what are the uses of present perfect continuous tense. See here, we use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about what kind of actions, because these tenses are used to express the actions. Okay, so here what kind of actions are expressed in the present perfect continuous tense? See, the most important points are an action that began in the past but is still continuing. जो काम बीते हुए समय में शुरू हुआ है, ओके, शुरू हो गया है, लेकिन प्रेजेंट में वो कंटिन्यू हो रहा है. ओके, काम शुरू हो चुका है, कुछ समय पहले काम शुरू हुआ है या तो बीता हुआ समय में काम शुरू हुआ है, लेकिन बोलते समय वो काम हो रहा है. ओके, तो ऐसे कामों को हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हम एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. लाइक I have been living in this house since my childhood. So the action of living in this house began when I was child in the past. Okay, so at present I am still living there. So I have been living. So these, don't be confused here. After I and you we always use plural verbs. So have is plural. So I have, this is the contraction form of I have, that is I have. Okay, subject plus have, subject plus have plus again been is there, B3 form of the verb be, and before living, before of the verb, main verb live, plus in this house since my childhood, um, rest of the predicate, or rest of the sentence. Understood? Now see here, when we write sentences in present perfect continuous tenses, so prepositions since, for, okay, from are often used. Okay, now another main point to understand that what kind of actions are expressed in present perfect continuous tense is an action that has recently stopped and yet has some effect on the present. Okay, so ऐसा काम जो अभी जो हो रहा था लेकिन अभी बंद हुआ है. ओके, जो हो रहा था लेकिन अभी एट द रिसेंट टाइम वो बंद हुआ है. ओके, लेकिन उसका असर अभी भी प्रेजेंट में है. तो इस तरीके के कामों को भी हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस पे हम एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. लाइक आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग रियली हार्ड. सो इट डज नॉट मीन दैट एट द प्रेजेंट टाइम also he is studying. Okay, but its effect is there at present also. Okay, understood? So these are the two main kinds of actions are there that are expressed in present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now see here, your exercise Z tells us that make present perfect continuous sentences using the given cues. So some clues are given here, some ideas are given here. So now how to change these sentences, how to write these sentences in present perfect continuous tense. Subject C is given here. Okay, verb work is given there, B1. That means here we have to use main verb is B4. Now after subject we have to use has or have, but the subject C is singular, so we have to use has. And we have to use, after that we have to use the B3 form of the verb be, that is been. She has been walking. Before of work is working. She has been walking for 5 years. Now this sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. That means वो 5 साल से वो पढ़ ही रहे हैं. She has been काम कर ही रहे हैं. That means his action of walking started before 5 years, okay, in the past, and at present also she's continued with her action. Now this is the sentence in present perfect continuous tense in positive form. Now let us change this sentence in negative form. So again subject come, again has or have come. After that we use not. Okay, and after that we use been. After that we use before. After that the same rest of the sentence. Like she has not been walking for 5 years. That means this sentence is in negative form, but in present perfect continuous tense. Now change this sentence into interrogative by using helping verb. Helping verb is here has. Okay, so when we change these sentences into question by using helping verb, that helping verb should come at the beginning. After that comes the subject. Okay, has she. Again after that been. After that main verb working. For 5 years. See, has she been walking for 5 years? This is interrogative sentence by using helping verb. Okay, and this is in positive sense. Positive or affirmative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Now we can change this sentence into negative also. Has she not? Again before been we have to use not. Has she not been walking for 5 years? This is negative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now let us try another one. I study all day. See, I subject, after subject I, you and I, we use plural verb. So in place of has or have, we have to use have. I have now. After that, been, B3 form of the verb be, and then main verb. Study is here, so we have to use B4 form of the main verb, that is I have been studying all day. That means मैं पूरा दिन पढ़ ही रहा हूँ. Okay. So maybe in the morning my work started, okay, and at present also I am continued with my action of walking, action of studying. So now change this sentence into negative. Subject is here. After that we have to use has or have. We have used have because subject is I. After I we use always plural, and have is plural. I have. So now after have we have to use not. I have not been studying all day. This is negative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now change this sentence into interrogative. Now interrogative, helping verb we have already identified here. See here. Have I. Again, after helping verb comes the subject. After subject comes been. Have I been studying all day? This is interrogative sentence in positive form. Now write this sentence again in interrogative but in negative form. See. Have I. Now after subject and before this B3 form of the verb be, we have to use not. Have I not been studying all day? Now this is interrogative sentence but in negative form. Okay. So I hope you have understood the explanation of this present perfect continuous tense. Okay. That we have practiced here also to change these affirmative sentences in present perfect continuous tense into negative as well as interrogative in both negative and positive. Okay. So but if you see this exercise, there is no need to change these sentences like this. This was just the practice. Here you need to write only the positive forms. Okay. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पर जैसा पूछा गया है वैसा करना है, जैसे हमने यहाँ पर किया एग्जाम्पल्स के तौर पे जिसे हमने पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज किया, उसे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में बोथ नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव में चेंज किया. ऐसा नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ एक एक सेंटेंस लिखना है इस एक्सरसाइज जी में. ओके, आई होप you have understood this explanation and now you are able to do this exercise also. Okay students, thank you so much for attending today's class. This much for today's class. Thank you so much.